Hello everyone, it's your teacher Mrs. Miller. I hope everyone is safe, and if you have needs, OTC can still help you. Just let us know. But this video is to show you about the modules and the assignments. So if you go into your Canvas website of our class, you'll come to the modules button on the left, and you just click on that and you will get into this section of the class for this page. We ended class on Module 5, but we still have some things to complete in Module 5. So if you want to click on the PowerPoints, it's this first link, click on here. It will take you to the PowerPoints. You will be responsible for the PowerPoints and the chapters. And so each week we will have assignments and a test, or not each week, but each module. And so those will be turned in online. And so, we have the case study due this coming up week, and then some other things that are due. They're all listed here. If you do not have access to a computer or the internet, please let us know. Let me know through email, and I will work with you on that issue. I will also be recording video lectures that are going to be very shortened, but just to kind of highlight some concepts. And then also will be offering a Zoom session for any students, so we can get together through virtual Zoom, and I will be explaining that in another announcement. And that Zoom session will be offered on Tuesdays at 1 when we normally would meet, and it will just be offered for 30 minutes. It will not be required, but it will be a chance for you to come and we can meet together, because I do miss you guys. And then you can ask questions and I can answer them, and I can record the Zoom session for any people who cannot make it at that time. So that's kind of how we will be going forward for our class for the next few sessions. I'm trying to keep as structured as I can with as much normalcy as I can. So please let me know if you need anything extra so that you can continue class, and we will work forward from there. Try to have a good day. Bye-bye.